So right now our cube just falls infinitely. I mean, it would be good to detect how deep it fell, so that we can do, we can reload the game or something, or apply some animation, death animations. So we can use triggers for that. But triggers are basically colliders, and you can use colliders in two ways, either as collisions or as triggers. So I created a setup here, and let me open the console and start the game. And as you can see, when I fall, some additional outputs printed when I entered this area here. And these outputs are very similar to the collision ones, because they are both colliders, so they have the same three methods, but they are used in different ways. Alright, let's recreate the setup. I'm going to delete this death zone, and I'm going to delete this trigger control. Alright, first we are going to create an empty game object. Let's reset its position. Then let's give a name of death zone, and then we are going to add a collider to it. Click on add component, and you can get the collider by typing a few letters. We're going to use box collider. We are going to scale this, and 2 as y is good enough. And we want the collider to be larger than the floor, so we have enough space for the cube to jump above the edge. So then let's drag this under the floor. -2 is good enough. Alright, now if we leave it at that, when we fall, the cube will be on the death zone. This is because we didn't check this is trigger box. So Unity doesn't know that this is a trigger. For that, we have to check this box. And now let's start the game. And as you see, now we can pass through it. And when we pass through the death zone, there will be 3 methods that are executed. Let's create an empty script file and name it trigger control. And let's assign this trigger control to our player. Alright, we won't be needing these 2 methods. Instead, we are going to use the 3 methods the triggers has: on trigger enter, on trigger stay, and on trigger exit. And let's print some similar text, like in the collisions, entering the, and we can also use this other variable to get the trigger game object that we are colliding with, game object and name. Alright, let's copy this print function and paste it in the other 2 methods. We are going to change this first text. Let's say in on trigger stay, and let's say exiting on trigger exit. Alright, let's save it and return to Unity. Let's open our console. Let's select the death zone so that it will be highlighted. Alright, start the game. And this time when we fall, you're going to see our outputs in the console. So this is useful to apply, death animations, or reloading the game when the cube just exits this zone here. And you can do other kinds of stuff, you know, location discoveries. When you're building a game world, you can use triggers when the player enters a new area, and you can sense that and print location discovery text and other kinds of stuff. You know, I will show different use cases for this information, but for this video I just wanted to show you a really simple example. So thank you for watching this video, and I will show you on the next ones. So bye.